All right, everyone. I want to talk about this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court case that happened just yesterday. See, you get some things I know they understand where they happen. Some people say we should blame the Southeast governors, but I want to ask you something. It doesn't mean that the Southeast governors have power over Tinubu. You see, when some people talk about Yoruba being pretenders, it's these kind of things. Situations like this are the causes of what is happening. You understand? Yoruba will claim as if they need peace, they need this, they need that they are nice. They try to paint themselves as nice people. But when you look at this thing happening to Nnamdi Kanu, you discover that they are also having that hatred for Ndigbo, beginning with destruction of shops. Now look at Nnamdi Kanu. He was released by the same appeal court. The Supreme Court had to send them back to the same appeal that have discharged him. You understand? So the issue there is that the Yoruba themselves, the Tinubu is a hater of Igbos as he stands because he has that power to ask Nnamdi Kanu to be free. He has the power. He is the president. Nobody should be deceived by governors. I'm not saying that governors are excluded, or the eastern governors are excluded, but what you need to know is that these people don't want him out, the Yorubas included. The Yoruba, because once Nnamdi comes out, they feel like if the Biafra is declared or something like that, they themselves are going to lose out. But it's not how things are done. People can work together. There are many countries that have separated in peace. Many countries in Europe, even South Sudan, through referendum, went their way. You understand? You want this peace, you call for a roundtable discussion, not pushing him from Nnamdi Kanu from appeal court to Supreme Court, from Supreme Court. What? It just shows that you're so conniving. We blame Buhari, but right now, as it stands now, Yoruba man is now in charge. What is happening? The same issue. You're moving him from front to back, from back to front. Probably because of the fact that he has not maybe agreed to some terms and conditions. Why is this thing so? Yorubas, why people like this? Why are you people like this? Why are you people like this? Your brother there, your son there is the president, yet the same thing. And remember some time ago that Ojukwu was the one that freed this young man, Awolowo, from prison. And he was not the one that kept him there, remember? It was an announcer man or thereabout that kept him there at that time. But yet now, look at Nnamdi Kanu now, he's inside. The same Yoruba man now is now a president. We thought that everything will now be a thing of past. By now, this man should be out. So when we look at the injustice against Igbo, it's the all round. After doing this thing, you now expect Igbo man to join in the protest. It's not possible now. You have to protest the thing alone. You have to protest it. I'm not happy that this thing is happening this way. But you have to understand the fact that everybody has rights. It is for self-determination. You understand? You have the right for self-determination. So anybody that is blaming the Southeast governors, which I'm not excluding them from, you understand? It's one side. But the president has that veto power to say, yes, despite the fact people don't want your son out, according to the law that has granted him that release, he should be set free immediately. Nobody will object it there. Because he's who? He's the president of the country and the commander-in-chief of the armed force. You understand? So this is the message I have for everyone of you. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thank you.